Good morning everybody. Right, this is just a little video, so I think it's only on for a good couple of minutes really. Just explaining with prepping a wall. Now it's slightly damaged, but the other parts are solid. Anyway, what we do, we actually, with the holes, we've dab boards into them, then grit it all with the green grit, then the plasterer's primer. It's like a stabilising solution it is. Then we apply this fibremesh. It's like skim, or fibre tape as in plasterer's terms, but it's on like a metre roll, and you just stick it onto the wall. We use drywall adhesive, and it works fine. Then obviously leave that go off, and we came back the next day and then obviously skimmed it. So here's the video. Let's go. Hello everybody, it's us again, and I was working like usual when I'm not, and I'm filming. Right, little job this morning is loose plaster on the walls, knock where the pockets off, put dab boards into them, then stick that mesh all over. We just like spread adhesive everywhere. He's doing such a good job, isn't he? That's why he does it all the time now. But if anybody knows the colour of this, anybody knows what this is made of, old school now. I'm old school, but it's like powder. It's sandy. Anyway, new window gone in, cupboards, dab around there, board in there. Then, I don't know if you can see that, and see how it's bent there. The board will come out to about here somewhere, and then we just flush it up. Easy as that. And then skim it all up, and that's it really. There's a few patches in the other room like that. That's already been gritted. This is plasterer's stabilising primer. Bostic, good shit. Note to everybody: green for over skimming, blue if you want to over render. If you're rendering outside, because the blue is really, how can I say that? Coarse, that's it, yeah. Of course it is. Anyway. Right, that's it. See you later. Nearly finished. No trowel. Not look different. Harv doesn't look any different. Harv doesn't look any different. That's another little job bites of dust. And a few patches in here. Some down the hallway in there. There's a few little patches here as well. That's another little job done. Bye for now.